Okay, so just a quick update on the kitchen. We got our cabinetry installed, we've got our hardware installed, and we've got our countertops installed. And they're already getting grubby because of the kiddos. Had the countertops installed for a couple days now. This thing will focus. Focus. I really hate this camera. There it goes. We have had a lot of time. Here's our new sink. Sorry, it's a little grubby because we're in the process of putting everything back in. But there's our new sink. That's a Vigo something or other, commercial style faucet. Dishwasher's the same. Everything's in. I've got it all taped off because I'm going to paint the walls before we go ahead and put in the subway tile. We're going to put subway tile all the way in here. Probably some shelves up here eventually, or maybe something, I don't know, put something there. Going to do the ceilings. Got the lights installed, which may have been in a different video. We're going to put in a range hood here, a ventless one, because we're not going to vent it outside. That's a southern facing wall, and with the cold air and the temperatures that blow in from that side, we don't have any flapping on the vents and all that stuff. Got the beam all drywalled and painted. And the kiddo's acting weird today. You'll see the divide here. We're going to have subway tile that comes out to here on the wall, or maybe a little higher, so that's why we haven't finished painting any of this. But this is just primer anyway for the raw drywall that was for the beams and behind what was already existing on the counters or the cabinets. So basically, just to show you the countertops if I can, it's a quartz countertop, 1.5 inch thick. We did a eased edge here, and it's actually nicer than I thought, the pattern. Now quartz is man-made, so the patterns are all going to be the same. You're not going to, I mean, you could probably get natural quartz, but that's pretty much like granite, and that's kind of going out of style just because of the maintenance that you have to do on them. With this stuff, you don't have to reseal them or anything like that. Something to look into. They are expensive because it is the new thing. I've known about quartz for quite a while. Back when I was doing some videos for one of the companies I worked at, we had to go, they were one of our clients down in Houston, and that's how I learned about quartz countertops, probably 10 years ago. But anyway, very durable. It is something that I would look into if you're redoing your kitchen. And so far the estimated, I'm just estimating here, but we've spent probably $12,000 or so on the kitchen remodel. So just something to kind of keep an eye out for, because cabinets, oh my god, they're freaking expensive these days. Ridiculous. Countertops were, I'd say $4,000, and probably $7,000 for the cabinets, and then, you know, the installation and everything else. So it's really close to about $12,000, $13,000 we've spent so far. Alright, well, the work continues. On to the next.